We have to complete this scroll view to match its content with the scroll indicators we made in the below. So first we have to snap these cards when you're scrolling. So let's do that here. The width of our cards were about half of the width. So we give a snap to interval of width divided by 2. Let's see how it changes. I give a content container style with padding right of width divided by 2, or a little less, like divided by 4. And that's okay. Now we want to detect that which card is snapping. Denmark is snapping or Krabby Thailand is snapping. So we write an onScroll event for our scroll view. Here we grab event, then call this dot on course scroll. This is something we make. E dot native event dot content offset.x. And you know that we have made it like function, so we change it to the class component. We delete this, import component UCCS and paste it here. Ctrl Shift F to make it prettier. Here's our scroll view, and this is our onScroll event. So we go to make our onCards scroll function. Above the render onCards scroll function and name it contentOffset and set a state named, for example, we just want to know which scroll indicator should be turned on. So we just need a number. We just want to set indicator to something. We define it in the next step. We define indicator in the states and set it to 0 for now, and then set it to content offset divided by width over 2, like our card width. By this, we are telling that divide the content offset to half of the width, because our cards are half of the width long. And by this, you know that which indicator should be turned on. Let's go to our indicators here. Here we have them, and the background color of main blue, but we just need the turned on indicator to be main blue. The others should have a 1A opacity. So we tell that first we have to read the state here. Const indicator equals to this dot state, and then in the scroll view we tell that if indicator equals to index main blue. Otherwise, main blue plus 1a. Says that find your stay is not defined because put find your stay is not defined. Oh, because when we auto-generated the class, it has been generated with lowercase alphabet. Now that's okay. You see that just this one is turned on, then this one is turned on, then this one is turned on, and that's okay. You can animate these to be smoother and more eye-catching, but for now it's enough.